What's going on, you guys? It's your local businessman Cam here, back with another video, and today we have a beautiful sunny California day. Very hot, typical day. You know, we've had some June gloom, but now it's getting into July, so it's about to start getting real hot, which is kind of unfortunate because, you know, I got football practice and, you know, I have a main channel. You guys want to check that out? I'll probably link that in the description eventually. But anyways, the point of this video is going to be showing you guys my water tank setup. A lot of you guys have been questioning that and have been asking me. Water tank setup. So a lot of you guys, like I said, have been asking me about what my water tank setup is like. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what my water tank setup is. Sorry, stuttering. Anyways, so as you guys see, this is my water tank, and here's the setup. So I have a 65-gallon water tank, which, you know, some people think that 65 gallons isn't enough to wash cars. I get about a fair use of, like, you know, 4, 5, 6 cars out of this. It averages around 5 to 6, and I'd say that's pretty good. You know, and half the time I don't even fill it up all the way. Half the time it's at 50 gallons or, you know, 35, 40 gallons. I just don't feel a need to always fill it up all the way, especially when I'm, you know, in a rush for time. But let's get to the real reason you guys are here. So here's my 65-gallon water tank, which leads into this part right here. It's like a shut-off control lever. So all I have to do to stop water flow is turn it how it is, and then to turn the water flow back on, I just turn it sideways like this all the way. I'm not going to turn it on all the way now, and then that kind of releases the water and helps it flow through. So that's the control valve that I have, which then goes to this other piece of tubing. Let me try to get some better lighting here. Sorry, I'm not sure how well you guys, there we go. Which then goes into a water pump that I have. I believe this is a 12 volt. So it's just an RV brand pump. I know on the other side it has the name, but I don't feel like switching it over. But so this is just a 12 volt RV water pump. Sorry for all these cords here, it's a little bit of a mess. So it just feeds to a water pump, which eventually I want to feed through a filter, like a little water filter, just to kind of, you know, filter the water a little bit better. So then quickly after this filter just goes into another little piping line, which I connected to a 3/4 I believe inch, what is this called, like a hose connect. So all you have to do is connect your hose to there, and then this wiring goes to here, because it comes with like 2 cables, and in order to power this bad boy up, the talking about this, the water pump, I connect these to a 12 volt battery, like a car battery, and that pretty much turns the pump on and gets it running and everything like that. Pretty much my pump is the pump that I have is like an automatic shut off. Has like an automatic shut off, so when enough pressure has built up to my pressure washer, the pump will actually turn off, so it's not just draining the battery. So it's a really simple little, you know, flow here. So it literally goes to my flow valve. I use a little, I believe it's like a 1/2 inch piping little tube to go to my water pump, and then from the water pump I have another little tube which goes to my little hose connect. And all I have to connect these and kind of keep them tied down, I bought these from Home Depot. They're little like clamps, and you just screw that in and it tightens everything up, so everything stays together. So that's kind of what I use, and then it just goes straight to these 2 positive and negative, which I have a battery connected to there, and it fuels the water, the pump, which obviously pulls water from my tank. So nothing crazy, but a lot of you guys were curious. You know, I don't use gravity fed. You know, I feel like that could be difficult sometimes, getting some pressure, and you know, you need good pressure in this business all the time to make sure you don't have any flukes and you can wash cars well enough. So that's pretty much my water tank setup, guys. Yeah, so my setup is really simple. Oh my god, the freaking mailman, hold on. Yeah, so my setup is really simple. You guys can buy pretty much everything that I bought. Either you can buy the water tank online, or they might have it at like your local Home Depots or Lowe's or whatever. But the rest of the things, like the piping and everything, bought straight from Home Depot. Just mainly YouTubed it, and you know, some trial and error and stuff to get enough pressure, and I got it working. So that's pretty much it for this video. A lot of you guys were curious, but I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys want more informative videos like this on certain things that I use, please be sure to comment. And also, everyone, please like this video. It gets my video more shared, and you know, can get it to other people. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.